Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your credit card has been declined. Please check your payment information and billing address and try again. For example, if you try to purchase anything on App Store or any kind of online store, and after that you have provided the payment method and your card has been declined. So how you can solve that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to turn it off again. And here what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply click on general. And after clicking on general, what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and after that you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. And here as your payment method has been declined or credit card has been declined, so what you have to do, you have to simply remove the old payment method from your payments, and after that you can simply add a new payment method. So if you want to add a new payment method in your Apple ID, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to click on name and Apple ID, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of media and purchases. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on view account, and after that if you click on view account, you have to wait for some time. After that this kind of interface will be available. So here you have to simply click on manage payments, and after that you have to simply click on remove payment. So here you have to simply remove the older payment which has been declined, and you can simply add a new payment method. After verification, that payment method will work and will solve the error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.